Hello everyone and welcome to our video series on Learn German. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are diving into a topic that's full of fun, excitement and a lot of celebration. Fasching. In this video, we will learn German words and phrases related to Fasching, from traditional costumes to delicious treats and lively festivities. There's loads to learn. Fasching, also known as Karneval or Fastnacht or Fastnacht in different regions of Germany, is a time of revelry and merriment leading up to Lent. Carnival is the name given to the festival and customs with which many people celebrate the days before the fasting period. The Carnival festival lasts 5 or 6 days every year. It starts on a Thursday, known as Weiberfastnacht, and celebrations continue on all subsequent days, with Rosenmontag being the highlight. Carnival ends on Aschermittwoch. Many Fasching customs aim to drive away winter. But it's not just about the parties and parades. It's also a great opportunity to learn some exciting German vocabulary. The Carnival season officially begins on November 11 at 11:11 a.m., but the true celebration begins in February. The most famous German Carnival cities are Cologne, Mainz, and Düsseldorf. Der Fasching. The so-called fifth season oder die fünfte Jahreszeit oder die närrische Zeit has a different name depending on the region. Fasching is mainly used by the Bavarians, Austrians and Saxons. The special thing about this festival is that people dress up and walk through the city in many different colorful costumes. Popular disguises include pirates, cowboys, witches, various animals, angels, and so on. Der Karneval. In the Rhine region, the word refers to the time of the procession itself and festive parties. The carnival is celebrated in various ways. Carnival parades, music, masks, and dressing up play a role. The term comes from the Latin carne levare. In German, it means to remove meat. This indicates the upcoming fasting period. Die Fastnacht oder die Fastnacht refers to the night before fasting and originated in the 12th century. Today it is often used as a synonym for the Schwäbisch-Alemannische Fastnacht. These terms are common in southwest Germany and some parts of Switzerland. Die Weiberfastnacht marks the beginning of the official street carnival in Germany, which reaches its peak on Rosenmontag and ends in the night to Aschermittwoch. In the Rhineland, for example, it is customary on this day to cut off ties. And women also dress up as old and ugly and become what are known as Mönen. Der Rosenmontag. This is the highlight of the carnival season. Even though it is not considered a public holiday in any federal state, many people have this day off and many shops and museums remain closed. The special thing is their Rosenmontagszug starts at 11:11 a.m. Colorful floats, dance groups and bands parade through the city throwing sweets. During the Fastnacht, most participants wear a Häs, the fool's costume, das Häs. It includes a wooden carved face mask, also called Larv. The wearers do not change the costume from year to year, but typically keep it for a lifetime. Der Karnevalsumzug oder der Karnevalszug oder Faschingsumzug oder Fastnachtsumzug. Very famous for carnival are the street parades. They often consist of different groups or large, colorful floats from the carnival clubs. It is a parade of costumed or masked individuals through a city. The carnival parades mostly take place between Carnival Saturday and Tuesday, with many of the largest parades traditionally held on Rosenmontag. Die Kamelle. Candies, chocolate and other sweets. The word camel is derived from caramel candy, which means the sweet treats that are thrown into the crowds during Rosenmontag. Der Aschermittwoch. The special aspect of this day is the start of the great 40-day fasting period in Christianity, which lasts until Easter. In the days leading up to it, such as on Rosenmontag, Karneval is celebrated. However, the joyful and exuberant Carnival season ends with Aschermittwoch. Aschermittwoch falls precisely on the 46th day before Easter Sunday or Ostersonntag. There have always been carnival calls during Carnival, the most famous being Hellau, among others in Düsseldorf and Mainz, and Alaf in Cologne. A general one in North Germany is Ahoi. Here are some other words and phrases. Der Narr. Jester is someone who loves fun, frivolous jokes and celebrating Carnival. Die Garde. This term is used for dance groups, mostly girls. Dances are often not shown at carnivals but at competitions and other events during the carnival season. Das Kölsch. Kölsch is a dialect spoken in and around Cologne. Kölsch is also a pale, top-fermented beer style brewed in Cologne and its surrounding areas. Das Flair. This term is used for the atmosphere and the mood during Carnival. Das Bütsche. Local word used for a kiosk. The crazy behavior of people during Carnival time is known as das närrische Treiben. Have you ever been to a carnival in Germany? How was it? Do let us know in the comments. Become a member today and gain access to extra content for this video and much more. You can also get free worksheets by joining our Patreon page. Danke. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you still haven't. You can click on the bell to receive notifications whenever we upload a new video. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen!